What's up, credit family? It's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another video. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to receive firm offers of credit from credit card companies, guys. This is a neat little hack where you can receive firm offers of credit from the credit card companies. But before we get started, guys, give me the old thumbs up. You like this video, and please hit the subscribe button, that red button down below there. Hit that subscribe button for me if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. So, how do you receive firm offers of credit from a credit card company? So I know a lot of you guys are probably using these credit card companies pre-qualification tool, to get pre-qualified, which is good. But it's another way of how you can get pre-qualified and receive firm offers of credit. It's a website called optoutprescreen.com. I know it's a funny name for a website. Anyways, it's called optoutprescreen.com. And I'll leave the website information up here so you guys can go to it and check it out. But anyways, so you guys may or may not know the credit card companies will buy your credit profile from the banks will buy your credit profile from the credit card company. So they'll go to this particular website, and say, hey, send me 1 million people that fit this credit profile. And if you are in that group of 1 million people that fit that credit profile, then they'll send you a mailer in the mail and says, hey, you've been pre-qualified for this this credit card. Go ahead and apply and see if you will get it. Anyway, it's a great way of getting a credit card that the banks have already done most of the hard work for you. They like your credit profile already, and they say, hey, we like your credit profile, you should go ahead and apply for this for this credit card, and you have a very large chance of getting this credit card. I've used this before. I received a lot of credit card offers from these banks, and it even says that right on there that it's coming from opt-out pre-screen. So what I did was a couple years ago, I opt-in. Opt-in, that's the key thing. Although it's called opt-out pre-screen, when you go to that website, you are going to opt-in. So you'll start receiving offers from banks based on your credit profile. The bank has already looked at your credit profile and they like it, and they feel like their specific card fits your credit profile, fits the credit profile that they're looking for, specifically back on the date and time that they looked at it when they bought it from the credit reporting agency /optoutprescreen.com. So I think this is a great way of getting offers instead of you applying in the blind and hoping that the credit card company is going to say yes. Because I think a lot of us, not realizing how good or bad our credit sometimes are applying for the wrong credit card based on our credit profile. And we're getting denied, and we're scratching our why we're always getting denied, because we're applying for cards that don't fit our credit, doesn't fit the credit profile for that card that we're applying for. Our credit profile probably fits something else. And this is a way of receiving an offer from the bank saying, hey, I like your credit profile, apply for this card. You have a very high chance of being approved and being accepted. So guys, go to optoutprescreen.com if you like this hack, opt in, and you will start receiving, firm offers from these credit card companies. Anyways, one of the things I want to throw in about this website is one of the things this website also does too, and I want to kind of let you guys know about it. This website also allows you to truly opt out if you don't want to receive a lot of, junk mail in the mail and stuff like that. This is a good way of stopping that if you don't want to receive any offers in the mail. So you can opt in, which is what I recommend, but you can also opt out if you're getting way too much junk mail in the mail. So that's all that I have for today, guys. Once again, please like my video, hit the subscribe button. If it's still red, guys, please hit it, subscribe, help me out, guys, and leave a comment down below. And that's all I have for today, guys. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.